Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Most people enjoy having nice nails, especially since they're a sign of good hygiene. This is especially true when it comes to women who love letting their nails grow out so they can paint them. When your nails break easily, however, it can be hard to let them grow or make them look nice. What most people may not know is that weak nails aren't just a coincidence. When you notice that your nails are breaking more easily, it means something more serious is going on. The weakness can be due to an excessive use of chemical products, such as nail polish remover, or problems with your eating habits, such as lack of hydration or a vitamin deficiency. If you're dealing with this right now, you should try the recipe we're going to teach you today. It's easy to make and calls for natural ingredients that will make your nails grow back faster and stronger. You're going to need a little orange juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 of a spoon of olive oil. Here's how to make it. Start out by squeezing the juice from the garlic cloves. Then add the garlic juice to the orange juice and let the mixture sit for a few minutes. Dip your nails in this mixture and let them soak for about 10 minutes. After the time is up, apply the olive oil to your nails and leave it on for another 15 minutes. Once the time has passed, wash your hands to remove any leftover ingredients. You should repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Apart from this recipe, you should also try to improve your eating habits. A diet that is poor in nutrients can be very harmful to your nails. Try to increase your protein intake and balance out your diet by eating more fruits and green vegetables. You should also use gloves whenever you wash dishes to keep your nails from coming into contact with detergents and soaps. Nail polish removers are just another example of an everyday item that can weaken your nails, so try to use them as infrequently as possible. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.